Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Power AC adapter design specifically for the Roland AX Edge Keytar synthesizer. This unit is presented as a reliable replacement or spare power supply cord for the instrument. The manufacturer, POWER, highlights that this adapter has been rigorously tested to meet and even surpass the original equipment manufacturer specifications, suggesting a high standard of performance and compatibility. A significant feature for musicians on the go is its wide input voltage range, supporting 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz. This universal compatibility means it can be used safely in various countries around the world, making it a convenient travel companion for touring artists, requiring only the correct physical plug adapter for the wall socket. Safety is clearly a priority in the design of this power adapter. It incorporates multiple protection systems to safeguard both the adapter and the connected device. These include OVP, which is over voltage output protection, preventing damage from unexpected voltage spikes; OCP, or overcurrent output protection, which protects against excessive current draw; and SCP, short circuit output protection, a critical feature that automatically shuts down the unit in the event of a short circuit, minimizing risks. Furthermore, the product carries CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. These certifications are important indicators that the adapter complies with established safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and environmental standards, providing users with confidence in its quality and safety profile. The adapter itself is a standard 2-pin AC type, finished in black, and designed with portability in mind. While the product description mentions a full list of compatible models, the primary focus is clearly on providing power for the Roland AX Edge Keytar. POWER also emphasizes their customer support, stating that their friendly and reliable service team will respond to inquiries within 24 hours, which is reassuring for users who might need assistance. Overall, this power adapter appears to be a robust and safety-conscious power solution for the Roland AX Edge, offering essential features like broad voltage compatibility for travel and comprehensive protection circuits to ensure the longevity and safety of the connected synthesizer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.